Okay, so I just wanted to show how to type in a circle or around like a bend using a circle. And I've seen a lot of videos on the internet about this that makes it like extra long. I just wanted to show the difference here. So normally when you use the ellipse tool, it's on shape here, so you can draw your shape like that. And then after it's been drawn, so let's say you already drawn the shape before, then you just go to the shape and you change it from the shape to a path, and then you can make the text run on any part of it. So as you can see here, there's no indication here, but if you go to the path selection tool, click on the shape, then it gives you that 4 points that everybody is concerned about. So as you can see here, then you just type it. So they show doing this and show doing this and what, but you don't actually need that. Like I said, you just make the ellipse circle. You can do it like, let's say a new shape and you want it specifically for text. Then you just go directly to path first and skip the whole shape and shape change into path, and you just draw a path ellipse. And then as you can see, there's already the 4 dots that you need, and you can just click on one of them, type, and then you go back to this path selection tool, click anywhere where you can see those little 2 arrows pointing away, and you just drag it, and then you can use this here to lower it down if you want it to be on the line exactly.